Give y'all a quick rundown on this, right? More times you really just gotta plan your trade and trade your plan. You get what I'm saying? So, and you also gotta have discipline and practice the proper risk management. And yes, just remember your psychology gotta be on point. Okay. Now let's go down to the H4. Like I waited 8 days for this trade. 8 days. But I was in the trade before the 8 days, right? And like the reason why I was waiting 8 days because I was waiting for confirmation for to show that price is gonna go down. And when I got the full confirmation that price is gonna go down, when I saw the 1 hour confirmed the 1 hour confirmed it up here, somewhere up here, and then I still had to wait. I waited for I was like on the bigger time frame, the 12 hour, the 8 hour, and I did get them confirmations as you can see confirmation right there on the 8 hour. Same thing on the 12 hour. I got a confirmation, and on the 4 hour, when I got the final confirmation, like all right, price is definitely not say definitely, but it's a high possibility that price is gonna go down. But before all of this happened, I had some limit orders set up. Right, I planned the trade, and I traded the plan. So let me show you on the H1 time frame. So as you can see right here, I have this box set up right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Look for short entry. Stop loss is 163.77. TP is 153.48. Right, so I planned this trade. I had a limit order set up at the 61.8 area, which was also a key level in the market. It was the key level. So what happened was we got once the price went right there, it hit me, kicked me in a trade, and I was in profits for a bit. Then I went into some negatives, right? So I entered up here. Price came down, put me back in negative. I still held on, and for how much days? Let me see how much days. This was like almost a whole day. And price came back down. I was up probably like I was up a decent amount, and then I saw a price came down and started going back up. So what I did was put my stop loss at break even. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just trade the plan. I'm gonna trade the plan. I'm gonna stick to whatever I said. But I just put my stop loss in profit just in case. And yes, price came back and kicked me out and went all the way up here. So what I did, I put in another limit order at my next key level, and I got kicked in the trade. And see, price came down. Price put me. Sorry, price put. I got kicked in the trade. I got put in the trade. Then price went back up. I was in negative. Came down again. I was in negative over here. So I took some more entries. I took about two more entries. And no, actually like three more entries. Each time price reacted off this key level, I took an entry. And I also took an entry down here at 160.80, somewhere down here. Now, on market close yesterday, I was down over $100. And I'm like, oh my gosh. But for some reason, I saw like price was below my entry point. So I don't understand how I was in negative. I'm like, all right, it's whatever. I'm just gonna keep the trade running. And I went on the H4 time frame. I saw, all right, so we got the confirmation like price is really about to go down. This was the first confirmation. I don't know if y'all can see it. This one right here, right? And from this big bearish engulfing, prices kept going down, and I just I kept scaling out. I had like about four entries open, 4 to 5 entries open, because I'm sticking to my plan, sticking to my trading plan, and make sure you're following the proper risk management while you're doing this. And ever since then, um, I was just going in profit. So this took about 8 days, 8 days to give me the right opportunity. 8 days and 12 hours, right? 8 days and 12 hours for me for it to take um what? Not even not even one day, basically one day for me to rack up all that profits. So I'm up over 300 and something pips, right? And it depends on the lot size that you're using. I took some decent lot sizes, so I made a pretty decent amount of money. You know what I'm saying? I didn't take everything yet because it did not get to my full take profit, but I kept scaling out to protect myself. You know what I'm saying? And I locked But my stop loss is in profit. So all these trades that I'm in right now are risk free. All of them are risk free. Now price, my take profit is 153 point something. But because tomorrow is Friday, I'm just gonna close out the trade right here. If it get right here or somewhere down here, or I might even just close it out before. But the original take profit is all the way down here, 153.61. So let's see if price actually goes there. You just got to be patient, be disciplined, and stick to your trading plan. Stick to your plan. Plan the trade and stick to the plan.